Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. My name is Mohammed Farhan Siddiqui, and you are watching Farhan with you, my YouTube channel. And my today's topic is about success. So we will go in detail about this topic, and we'll learn some things about success. What is success, and what is the meaning of success? What is the meaning of success? What we call basically success, and how we want to define success. As a particular, if you go in detail, the dictionary definition about success is an achievement of any objective or goal, and success can also mean attaining of a certain level of social status also. So that is basically a dictionary definition. But in terms of understanding and learning, it is a very vast topic, and you cannot define it as clearly, because for each person or individual or any organization, this success will be different. So you cannot say this is the only, but in general, the definition I told you already. So success means, for an individual, first we come to know, he can own any material possessions or material belongings, such as a big villa or a property, or anything like cars or aeroplanes or any other thing which is materialistic. So that in that term, the person say that, okay, this is my level of success. Another thing is that one, if somebody or companies are setting goals for themselves, so mainly they are terming as that one, that is their success. So that is also comes to an individual also and a company also. So other thing is that one, if you come up to other person, that success can be a personal mission also, or or in terms of an organization, it's also a goal, a big goal, a mission that they are carrying out through to help the humanity or humankind. And for individual also, some people, they have their also personal mission, so that is also comes under success. Other thing is that one, that if success, somebody is experiencing particular feelings which gives him satisfaction, like he is happy to achieve something, that is but he is not setting a goal of that, or he didn't put up a certain mission to that one, that is also comes under success. But the main thing for success that we have to understand is that if you define clearly, or defining success is the first step or initial step in achieving it. If you define success properly, then it will give you a certain measure or a certain target to achieve it. Because if you don't know what is your success level, then how you can work for it? The main thing is this one. And but as you know, that for any journey you want to take, the first step is the most important, as well as it is the most difficult one also, because it will tell you, okay, how to start. So it doesn't matter, don't afraid about taking the first step. The main thing is this one, in this part, because first step is always difficult. If you want to start anything, you want to start a business or start a job or even study also, the first step is the main thing which you have to be careful. It doesn't mean if you made a mistake or you have done something wrong in it doesn't mean that you will not achieve it later on. So main and other thing just want to focus also is that, let us come up to this topic further, that don't act like you feel, act the way you want to feel. That is the main thing. This is the first thing. Second thing, don't put self doubt, means you are doubtful for your abilities and your talent, that okay, can I do this thing? If you have interest in it, you have dedication to that thing, then you will, of course you will achieve it. But first thing is firm belief on that you don't have to be doubtful on yourself. Second, because never ever underestimate yourself in doing anything. If you feel, if you identify that I can do this, then please focus on it properly and then start the work. Okay. Now there are some things which we know that the good moral values or the moral values which are contributing too much toward the success, and we have to know about them. That is the main thing, and we all know about them. That is, in general, we all are aware of them. The only thing is to how to practice it in our daily life or routine, or in our professional life also. So you have to know about patience. You have to be patient, first thing. Second, honesty. Third, integrity, sincerity, dedication, determination, and this clarity and wisdom. These all things only we need to know is the implementation. Just we want to know the practice of these things, that how we can practice in our daily life, how we can do it properly in a better way. Because again, the main thing is that we learned, we have heard about so many things, we read about so many things, and we learned also so many things. But the main problem which we face along is that always we miss the practice. That is the problem, because we don't apply those knowledge on those things which we attain in our daily practice, or when the thing of implementation, the phase of implementation came, we missed out these things clearly. That is the thing. Okay, so first thing is this one, that it helps you to promote your career, it helps to promote your education also, it helps to promote your daily life operations also, and these all things are interconnected, whatever I am telling you now. And good time management is also one of the ability that we have to use during our whole process of success and to maintain success. But main thing in success, don't never ever try to cheat anybody. That is the first thing. Another part what I believe is that one, you have to be honest. You have to be honest in your feelings, you have to be honest in your thinking, you have to be honest in your dealings. Because if you are not honest, then don't think about getting success. Maybe timely you will get success, but the end result will be not helpful for you. So honesty is always the best policy, so don't forget about it. Other thing, whenever you are committing a deal or an agreement or anything for towards any project or anything you want to fulfill, always try to be showing your determination, your dedication to it properly. Other thing is that one, your work is more important, but hard work itself stand alone is not support. Okay, because sometimes hard work, we have many examples in our daily life that people, they do hard work all their life, but they didn't achieve much, and we say them why they didn't achieve much, because there are so many factors which were missing. So hard work is important. You can say, yeah, that is an important component. You can, without hard working you cannot achieve anything, but alone you cannot say that is the main component of success or it will help you. Okay friends, so as we are continuing our topic, well, just to take a small break in this one, if any of you missed out my previous first video, so I will share the link of that video in the description of this video, so you can go easily and again review it. And if you like my content for the first video and this video also, please I request you to subscribe my channel, to like it, to share it, and don't forget to press the bell icon for the recent video updates. And there is one important thing we have to learn about it and we have to know about it, that the past cannot be changed. So try not to live in your past. Whatever has happened, nobody can change it, nobody can delete it. It's a part of history now. So in order to move forward in the life and to go and explore the new destinations, the new dimensions of life, one should have to move forward with the new energy, with the new will, and with the new force. Because otherwise the people who lived in their past, they can never achieve success. Successful comes to those who forget the bad things in their life and they remember good memories and they move ahead. So always be like that delete the bad memories and go ahead with the good memories. With this one, I just come up to an end for my topic. So hopefully we will meet inshallah very soon. Thank you very much for your precious and your attention to see my video, and I thanks a lot to all my friends and viewers who previously give me appreciation for my first video. They like my video and I got their comments, and I hope you will continue your support with me, and inshallah we'll meet very soon. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.